Hello, back with Chef P and Bonz. And today is cookout at Project West in El Cajon, San Diego, featuring Bonz and Buckets. And we're going to have chicken and burgers today, okay, on the grill. And it's not just any kind of burger. We're going to do teriyaki burgers. So as the burgers begin to cook up, the chef is going to put teriyaki on these burgers like so. And then I'm going to combine it with my one-step seasoning. And these are going to be teriyaki burgers. They are to live for. And they are to live for, family.
I'm back.
And then I'm going to go over to my herb goodies. And then I'm going to sprinkle herbs and spices right on these teriyaki burgers like so, family. Woo!
Call you later. Yeah, let me call you later.
You're back rolling with the coolest chef and all the land. Let's cook with Chef P and Bonz with them teriyaki burgers. Bonz!